Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is a super fun one. It is my take on a holiday gift guide, which is basically what I'm actually getting my family this year for Christmas. So if you want to know what I'm getting my family for Christmas, maybe get a few gift ideas from it, then let's get into it. This first portion of the video is sponsored by Dossier. Thank you to Dossier and you guys for giving me this opportunity. It really means the world that you guys support me enough so that I can have these opportunities. And Dossier is a really great fragrance brand. They give you luxury fragrances at an affordable price, which of course is a wonderful gift idea for anyone. And they are having an awesome Black Friday sale right now, which I took advantage, and my code does stack on top of it. So I will have my code in this description box. But this year for my husband, I went crazy on Dossier and got him 3 bottles. I have one in front of me right here, but I got him 3 bottles of the fragrance inspired by Dior Sauvage because he loves cologne. Over the past year and a half or whatever that we've been together, I have bought him 3 bottles of high-end cologne that he has just flown through, and he loves it. But his favorite among all of them has been Sauvage, and he has not been wanting to spend the price to get more. So when I saw Dossier had a comparable scent, I was like, heck yeah. And their deal right now basically is where when you buy multiples of bottles, you have more savings. So I bought 3 because that was more savings to buy 3 versus just buying 1. And I know he's gonna go through them and use them. So this is Aromatic Star Anise, and it smells literally, to me at least, just like Sauvage. So I know he's gonna love it. He's gonna wear it. He's gonna go through these, and it is a really great value for what you're getting. Highly recommend it. If you're thinking of giving a gift to anyone who likes fragrance, check out Dossier because they have some great deals going on right now, and my coupon is stackable. Anyway, enough about that. That's one gift for my husband. The rest of the gifts for everybody in my family I will be inserting as like pictures, and I'll have links down below because they're all in the process of being ordered and or shipped right now. Don't have them, but I wanted to get this video up before all of the deals were over because it is Black Friday season or whatever. Like now it's more than a day. It lasts like over a week. From like the week before to Cyber Monday, deals are going on. So I wanted to get all of these gift ideas out to you guys before those sales are over. So even though I don't have the products physically here, I'm still going to talk about them. So the other thing that I am getting for my husband, at least so far, I'll probably get him a few more things, but Macy's is having a really good Black Friday sale right now, and he is such the chef. Like, he loves cooking. I don't get to cook anymore because he loves cooking so much. Like, I feel like I have like a domesticated house husband, you know, because he does all the cooking and I don't have to do anything, and it's really nice. I'm not complaining, but he's been hinting that he wants more cooking appliances and like a grill and a slow cooker and things like that. So Macy's was having some really great deals. So I picked up this Bella 2-quart electric air fryer right here. So anyway, it is currently on sale on Black Friday special for $24.99. It is originally $64.99, so it's $40 off. It's more than half off. It's a steal of a freaking deal, so I had to get that one. They also, oh, why is my lash just coming off? I guess, whatever. No lashes for the rest of this video. But it just started popping and flying off. I don't know what happened. But anyway, yeah, air fryers are really cool, really great if you're trying to eat healthy but still love fried foods, and that's an amazing deal. And I might go back before their Black Friday deals are over and pick up a slow cooker or something else, because Macy's Black Friday deals are really good right now. I also, for myself, okay, I don't know about you, but for me, every year I buy myself a Christmas present. Not that I don't buy myself enough things as it is, because I'm kind of a little bit shopaholic, but like I buy myself one thing that's like to me, from me, for Christmas, Merry Christmas. And that's been a tradition for like ever since I became an adult. I treat myself to something that I want for Christmas. And Macy's was also having their advent calendar on sale. Let me pull that up. So it's right here. It is their 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, created for Macy's. Originally $99, now $49.50 on their Black Friday sale. And it has all that you see pictured here in the calendar. Is a really good deal. It has like perfume, skincare, makeup, all of it in there. And I had the Macy's Advent Calendar last year and I really enjoyed it. So when I saw this one was on such a sale, I had to grab it as my Christmas gift to myself. So yeah, that is what I'm getting for me this year. And then I'm like done shopping for myself. No more for me. And then Michael's is also having some good Black Friday sales. I don't know if you have any crafters in your life, but my sister Jennifer, who has been a part of my channel before in the past, she used to have her own channel. She is a huge crafter and she is a big lover and supporter of Michael's. So I asked her, what do you want from Michael's? Because I know that's like your store. Like Ulta is my store, Michael's is her store. And she directed me to these awesome storage options for her, which is, I think, a good idea for anybody who's a crafter or even makeup lovers. So I'll put them up here. She asked me to get this 3-shelf mini rolling cart by Lexington for $24.99, but again, the whole site you get 20% off, so it's still on sale. And then she did also request some add-ons for the cart. So let me pull them up. So up here, this one is the 2-count cart bins for $6.99. Then I'll pop up, they have the cart divider for $6.99. They also have other cart accessories, and basically it's a really cool way to help without getting them more craft supplies or more makeup, a way to organize and store it, because you know that's something all of us with hobbies always need, but usually we're buying the supplies to create the things rather than the supplies to store the things. So yeah, I thought that was really cool that my sister said she wanted that, and that is what I'm getting her for Christmas, as well as this blush from Makeup Revolution, because she loves the color peach. For makeup especially, it's her color, and this is like the peach blush. So had to get that for her. And I also got her one more thing. This is from Michael's as well. It is the Unicorn Dreamcatcher Yarn Craft Kit. She loves those fun little easy quick craft kits. It was $4.99 with 20% off. So again, check out Michael's if you have a crafter in your life, because they are having great deals for Black Friday. And then for my sister who loves to letter and design things, she actually has a shop on Etsy, Hello Primary Designs. I will have it linked below if you're interested. We actually did a collaboration and had like a merch line a while ago, but we took it down and we're redoing it, so keep an eye out. But yeah, she's really into hand lettering and, you know, creating really cool and fun designs. I love her designs, are so cute. But anyway, she said this is what she wanted, and I thought if you have someone in your life who likes to create designs, these could be good gift ideas. So this is the Learn to Letter with Luna the Llama. It is marketed as a children's workbook, but anybody of any age can do it, and it helps you just learn how to do different ways of handwriting and lettering. So it's pretty cool and pretty affordable on Amazon. And then the other thing for her is also this Crayola hand lettering set. It has different pens and stuff in it so that you can really letter like a superstar, I guess. I don't know. I'm not into lettering, but she is. Okay, and then for my mom, I think she's outside the door. Mom, are you outside the door? Can you hear me? No, she's watching TV. We're good. Okay, so for my mom, I was going to shop at Home Depot because that is my mom's favorite store, if you would believe it. I don't think it's a store. I think that's more of a dad's store, but my mom is a mom and a dad, so, you know. Does that make any sense? She was a single parent, so she was the mom and the dad, and she got really into home handy things. And there are Black Friday deals at Home Depot, so that's where we're shopping for my mom. And she loves Ryobi, and she specifically has been saying that she wants a grinder. So there are a couple different grinders on the Home Depot website by Ryobi. I'm pretty sure she said she wanted a cordless one. So that one is not on sale, unfortunately. Dang it, but it's only $45. So I'll put it here. This is what my mom wanted. Probably what I'm gonna get her. But let me just check out Home Depot really quick and see what other deals they have, and see 40% off select tools. Yeah, let's check that out. Okay, I didn't find anything in the 40% off tools that my mom said she's been wanting, but just so you know, if you have someone who loves Home Depot, they're also doing Black Friday, so keep that in mind. And then, oh shit, we're out of battery. Be right back. Battery is replaced, so we're good. Oops. So anyway, yeah, pretty much just shopping Home Depot, getting tools for my mom. That's the kind of gal she is. I asked her if she wanted any makeup, but because I love buying people makeup. That's like, not only do I love buying makeup for me, but I love picking out the perfect makeup products for people. So I asked her if she wanted any makeup, but she's good. She's got a whole shelf in the bathroom full of mine and my sister's leftovers that we've passed on to her. So yeah. And then also I do have two brothers-in-law, and they have different interests. So one of them is more of a gamer type. So I was probably going to get him like a gift card to Steam or something like that, because I wouldn't know what exactly to get him that's game related without buying him a whole game, and whole games are like $60, so they're a little pricey. So I'd probably get him a gift card to Steam because I know he uses Steam. And for my other brother-in-law, he specifically asked for some Pokemon games, which again, they're like $60. Or he said he'll take a Visa gift card, so he's probably gonna get a Visa gift card, because $60 is a lot, you know. But that's just me. Like, I don't know, I have a hard time justifying $60 for a game, but here I am, like, with all of these palettes that I've spent way more on. Whatever. Anyway, then I do have two nephews, and they are spoiled. I love them. I'm not talking negative about them. Like, they just have multiple grandparents. Like, they have my mom, they have my brother-in-law's dad and his new, like, I don't know if they're married or not, but like his person, and then my brother-in-law's mom and her person, and they just have so many people in their lives that are spoiling them with gifts all the time. Like, my nephews do not need any more toys. They don't. They have a sea of toys. I'm sure if you're a parent that has like doting grandparents involved, you know what I'm talking about. So I am just going to give my nephews cards with money in them, because then they can save for bigger toys that they want that they didn't necessarily get. Like, my nephew Alex was able to save up money and buy himself a Switch Lite. So, you know, things like that. So yeah, my nephews are probably going to just get money and cards like they usually do for me, because they have a sea of toys and don't need it anymore. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got figured out so far. I'm sure there will be some last minute things I throw in the future, but like I said, I wanted to get this up so you guys could still get inspiration and take advantage of the deals. If you are interested in this look, it should already be up on my channel. It is the Natasha Denona Love palette look, or palette of the week. And yeah, don't forget to check out my description box for all links, codes, everything. It will all be down there, and some of it will be affiliated, so if you're not comfortable with that, I will still have the names of everything so that you can search it. But if you do use my affiliated links, I appreciate your support. It means the world to me. And again, do not forget to check out Dossier. Amazing sponsor today. Really love this brand. They have such great affordable fragrances. They are just like high end. And yeah, what are you guys gifting your family this year? Or what Black Friday deals are you taking advantage of? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!